Hey peeps, so I run go for my selfie stick a while ago. But guess what I'm doing today? Nice sunlight. Alright, this is what I'm doing today. Washing the car, pretty much. So get the view. Alright, so that's what I'm doing today. Washing the car. So here me I go do. I'm trying to see if I can put this on the time lapse. Make you see how me wash down the car. This is how real Jamaican people wash car. They probably do this in the Caribbean and other countries, but yeah. Last time I got car wash, never really work out for me. So we finally find a hose. Every time I say hose, we finally find a pipe. A standing pipe, because them cut out the standing pipe down there, so I had to find a standing pipe, which one over there, so it turned on, so hook up the hose to it and thing. I'm washing the car now, because it's really dirty, as you can see. So I get a nice wash down, so I go set up and see what I can do. Alright, so me showing you the end result when I'm done and thing. So look on it, so down there is so dirty and thing. So yeah, I go wash it down and thing. So come back. is the end result. Ooh, that's the end result. So it's pretty, shiny again, clean. That's it, people. Look at the rims. Look at it. Clean again. Clean. See? Well clean. Clean and nice. Sparkly and bright. Don't watch little. Don't watch little the mirror. You don't know so when it now work good, you know. Nothing better than duct tape, you understand? So yeah, try my best with the greasy areas them. But yeah, go on with a bag of things, right? So I'm gonna wipe it down now. And thing I just make it dry off. And then it good to go. Sweep out the inside and then we're done. So a job well done by me. Understand? So big up for yourself.